What's up guys, it's your girl Djsess. First, I would like to thank you guys for clicking onto this link and taking your time to watch this video. Today we are going to be making a natural face wash using milk and honey. But before that, I wanted to show you guys this bottle. I got it on my birthday. So this is the bottle that I was talking about in my previous video. In case you've not watched, this bottle, you can use it to manage your cramps. You just put hot water and place it on your lower abdomen. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make the natural face wash and how to utilize it, as in like the whole process. I'm going to show you guys what to do. Yeah, so let's proceed to making the face wash. So guys, we're from making the face wash and I have it here. So it turned out like something like tea. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use cotton wool. I dip it into this mixture, then I apply it around my face. Before I do that, you have to start with a clean face. I already did clean my face before I started. So number 2, I'm going to tie back my hair. I think I'll have to remove this one. I have to tie back my hair. Yeah. So now I've tied back my hair. So now we apply the mixture on your face. After you've applied it on your face, you have to wait like for 5 minutes so that it takes its time to clean the face and to refresh the face. Yeah, so in the meantime, I'm going to tell you guys why we use milk and honey. So honey is a natural exfoliator, as in like it will remove the dark skin or the dry part of the skin and reveal new cells of your skin. So it will brighten your skin. And yeah, so alafu for the milk soothes to the skin. It just makes the skin feel just nice. Yeah, so that's why you have to add milk. Yeah, so now let me wait for 5 minutes, then I'll rinse off the face and I'll get back to you guys. So guys, we are back. We've cleaned our face. Yeah, and remember to moisturize after you've cleaned your face and dried it. So in case you're allergic to milk and honey, you should not try this face wash because itakuharibikia also. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for taking your time. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, and like, share and comment. Yeah, remember to worry less and keep it simple. Bye.